Hi everyone, Jason again from Masterbit. This week we're going to do a comparison between a hard drive, a mechanical hard drive, and an SSD in an old Dell laptop I had lying around. I think you'll be pretty surprised by the results. So let's get going. When I was designing this experiment, it was all about the speed of an SSD, but when you've got a laptop, it benefits on two more fronts. You can get better shock resistance, so you don't have to worry about picking it up or moving it when it's on, and lower power consumption because your battery lasts longer. Also, I wanted to make it as fair as possible, so I made a fresh install of Windows, installed all the drivers and updates, and a 9-night package, which is just a website that we might talk about in another video. And so once I ran it with the standard hard drive, I swapped out the drive for an SSD and then restored an image of the exact file structure on the hard drive, and then ran the test again. As you can see the boot time really slow for the hard drive, and when we see the SSD, you'll be quite shocked at the results. This speed increase though is not actually confined to just the Windows boot time. There's also the added benefit of every time you load a program, it has to come from the disk into memory. So an SSD means that there's less time between double clicking on a program and having a usable program in front of you. Well, the numbers don't lie. A 63% decrease in the time it takes from completely off to a functional Windows environment. Now that you've seen the benefits of an SSD, I think now's the time to teach you how to do it. So next week we're going to make a video of upgrading RAM and hard drives on a laptop. And if you like this video, hit like. If you liked it a lot, hit subscribe, and we'll see you next week.